Yum mama, or Thai instant noodle salad, is a popular Thai salad dish. The word yum translates to mix or toss, and mama is a widely available instant noodle brand. This brings me back so many precious childhood memories. It is sweet, tangy, spicy, and just so refreshing. In a bowl, mix together the fish sauce, lime juice, and palm sugar. Whisk until dissolved. Then add the finger hot pepper or burst iced chili and garlic. Mix well. Mama is the most popular Thai instant noodle brand. Almost every household in Thailand has a few packages in their pantries. In the US, you could buy them in most Chinese supermarkets or on Amazon. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Add the mama. You can also replace them with glass noodles or other types of noodles that you enjoy. Cook until al dente for about 2 minutes. Remove and drain. In the same pot, add the shrimp. Cook until it turns pink for about 30 seconds. Remove and drain. In the same pot, add the ground pork. You can also replace it with ground chicken and cook until completely cooked through. Remove and drain. In a mixing bowl, add the onion, grape tomatoes, mama instant noodles, shrimp, pork, and the dressing. Mix together. Chinese celery. You can also replace it with the regular celery and cilantro. Mix well. Place it on a serving plate and enjoy. It has many dimensions of flavors and textures, all different but coexisting in harmony. Al dente mama noodles, crunchy Chinese celery, juicy tomatoes, snappy shrimp, and meaty ground pork. And the dressing brings it all together. This is absolutely delicious. It's so good. I feel like all of a sudden I've been transported to Thailand. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!